How to disconnect Facebook from Mobile Legends. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Okay, so the very first step after you have opened the Mobile Legends game, click on your profile icon at the very top left and you should get to your profile page. From here, you will have some options at the left hand side and we are going to tap on account right here at the bottom. And at the right hand side, we tap on account center. Okay, this next part is really important, so make sure to pay close attention. We are going to tap on disconnect third party account and you can scroll through and look for your Facebook account. So tap on Facebook account and we are going to disconnect via connected account. You will then have to enter your account ID, so you can take note of this somewhere. So you can enter it on the space provided and just type it in. Once you've done that, tap on OK and select the reason on why you want to disconnect your account and tap on OK again. Now, if you missed this next part, you'll have to start over. Make sure that you are logged into the Facebook account and on your Facebook app on that same phone. So just tap on agree right here. Click on continue and continue once again, and it should then have you back to the Mobile Legends app and it will then now say not connected, and that is how you can basically disconnect Facebook from Mobile Legends.